So your firewall of your system might complain about the software. Just click allow access to continue. Now we are done installing. So the next thing is to go back to the download folder and extract this WordPress. Right click and click extract all. Extract. Is extracting. It has finished extracting. So this is the extracted file. All you need to do is just to right click and rename it to the name of website you want to design. In my own case, I'm going to call it tutorial. Then you right click and copy the folder. Go to your disk, this PC, locate your local disk, which is window, click XAMPP, then open htdocs folder inside XAMPP and paste the folder that you copied. Ctrl V, you paste it here, or you right click and paste. It's pasting already. Now it has finished pasting. This is it, tutorial. So the next thing is to go back to the browser, open another tab. What you are going to do here, but before that, you need to start your XAMPP. You click start. Should in case you can't find your XAMPP, from the search here, you just type XAMPP. You see XAMPP control panel, you launch it from here. Then you click start Apache and start my SQL. It's only these two buttons you have to toggle on. So the next thing, from your browser, click allow, so that your firewall will not prevent your database from working. The next thing is to type localhost. Mind you that as we are connected online, it might take us to the internet. And if such happens, so that's what I was saying. What I'm going to do, so it takes me to this website, which is not where I am going to. It's because we are connected online. I'll just close it, then come back to the XAMPP and click admin. Hit admin from here, so that it will take us to the localhost dashboard. So this is the localhost dashboard. From here, you can see welcome to XAMPP for Windows 8.0.8. Install application on XAMPP using this and that. So we are going to, from the menu bar, you go to phpMyAdmin. So phpMyAdmin page has opened. So the next thing we are going to do is for us to create a database for our website. We need to create a database. From here, I will click new from the right side of the left side of the screen. I beg your pardon. You click new, then you type database name. In my case, I'm going to type tutorial_db. This will be the name of my database. Then you select unique code, UTF-8_unique_code_CI. This is the type standard character that is used for setting up a database. Create. So the database has been created. This is the 𝘊𝗃𝗃_DB. The next thing that we'll have to do, for every database, we need to have a user that will be associated with that database. That is, that user will have access to the database. From privileges, from the top menu, click privileges. Then click add new user, add user account. So you are going to fill in login information for this user. Text field, you are going to type the username. I will just call it, what is this? I will just call it tutorial or tutor_admin. This is name, this is my username. Host, I will choose localhost because I'm working offline. Then user text field, this is for you to type a password. I can just pick from my name, tutor at and $. Then just retype the password. Once you are done with that, you come here and check all. You allow this admin to have these privileges. The admin should be able to select, insert, update, delete file, create, drop, and the rest. Once you are done with that, you scroll down and hit go. One, I've forgotten to write my database credentials, which is very bad. Okay, so let me just save the login information here so that I can have access to it. So what we need to do is to save our login information. We just type note, open, say database, username, I'll just come here and copy the username, I'll paste it here, password, I'll come back. I may not be able to find this password. It's saved to my browser. Oh, sorry, this is even the password. Username is tutor_admin. Then copy the username from here and drop it here. So this is what it's supposed to be in the first place. As you type your username there, you paste it here. You type your password, you paste it here too. Then you save it. You can call it login credentials. I'll just save it to desktop. I have a folder on desktop called WordPress series. Save it there. Then that's all. We've created a database called uh, uh, 𝘊𝗃𝗃_DB, and we have create a user associated with it called WP tutor_admin. So the next thing we are going to do is to go to the browser and type localhost we are going to install our WordPress now. Localhost slash tutorial. Remember the name of your folder. That is, we are working on this folder now. htdocs. You have to remember the name of this folder. You can copy it if you can't remember the name. Go back to your browser and paste it here. Hit enter key. Once you hit the enter key, it will take you to this page. You select English as your language and continue. Now, welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, you will need to know the following items which you save. This is the reason why we saved it earlier. You have to know your database name, username, password, and host. Let's go. So we are going to copy the database name is tutor_admin. Sorry, the database name is tutorial_db. Sorry, I didn't save that. DB name tutorial_db. I will copy it. Then I'll come here and paste it here. Tutorial_db. Now copy the username. I'll paste it here as well. So the next thing is the password. Now I'll paste it here. Localhost. The database host is localhost. I will leave it as that. Then WP, I will leave this one as it too. I will not alter it. Then hit submit. Alright, you've made it through this part of the installation. WordPress can now communicate with your database if you are ready. So WordPress now have connected with database, so it's find out that yes, the credentials exist in my database. Now it's going to run the installation. You click run the installation. Now we are setting up our website. I will call it website design series, or I'll just call it, let me call it the name of my company, 𝘂𝗵𝘁. Assume I'm designing a website for my company now. Username, I'll call it admin. Then password, you need to enter your own password. I will just copy it. From here, I will have to save the credentials to WP, which is WordPress. Username is admin. Then password is this password. It's a very strong password. You can input your own password too if you don't like this one, but I'm going to leave it as it is. Now come here, say 𝘂𝗵𝘁𝗵𝗁, and that's my email at gmail.com. That's my company email. Now install WordPress. I will have to save this to email. 𝘂𝗵𝘁𝗵𝗁@gmail.com. Success. WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. So we can now log in into our website and see what we have. Admin login. You type your admin, you type in your password, and click login. Now this is it. This is the WP dashboard. I will say which is third item on our tutorial outline. Then, so this is the dashboard. We have home, we have posts, We have media, we have pages, comments, appearance, plugins, users, tools, settings, and collapse menu. So this will mark the end of this video for today. We'll begin our next class. We'll begin from our next class. Thank you.